Hey, hi, welcome to my CHDWM. This is a post-factum video, meaning we're already on the Dracula scheme, right? So let's kick everything out again. Ctrl-T. If I type scale, look at the position where it is. First of all, the bar is normally at the top. It's here. This is purple, meaning I applied the Dracula look, a coloring scheme, right? So I'll do everything again and say, okay, scale. Scale means if your system does not work anymore, i3, BSP, WM, Qtile, Xmonad, CHADWM, you overwrite everything that's in here. So now the code is gone, but the application, this is a special thing, right? This is CHDWM. The app is still there. If you want to see what it's supposed to be by default, then you type make and sudo make install, because we've overwritten all the code. And I'll do the exercise making this Dracula thing again. Now in coloring and all that, I have this reflex to reboot. Let the machine apply everything and anything again. And often it's the sentence, did you try turning it off and on again? That earns you money. You go to somebody and you just turn it on again. So this is the default look. And one of the things we noticed is that this color is for all of these guys. So I've asked on GitHub if that's possible, if we could make different colors here, would be nice. But how to go to the difference and the Dracula thing? Well, first of all, you see me making these extra bookmarks, which makes it easy to just quickly go to the place where I need to be. So this is the application. Anything I change in here will be applied to the app if I build it, of course. So it's not an i3, it's not a BSP-DWM. You need to change and build. It's a DWM and it's a Dusk. Those two are also DWM based. So config.fh, these two guys, I keep them always the same with my meld tool, because yeah, it's a workflow thing. I always meld, right? I always compare. But that's the guy that's important. That's defining your future system, not that one. So if you want, you can delete it for now. Okay. Let's make this a super F full screen. And up here you can read all kinds of things. And one of the things we did was at top bar, put it to 0. Top bar means go down. Okay, let's do exactly the same I did earlier on. And then here we have one dark. I like one dark and I'll keep one dark. It's beautiful. But what if you like Dracula? Basically what it does, it says include me a file from here. And by using variables like blue is this kind of color. What kind of color is that? Control C, up, super, Control Alt F, Firefox, Control V, boom. And the color is purplish. Ah, yeah, Dracula. For the guys who don't know Dracula color scheme, there's a whole website for it. So it's not defined by the developer of CHADWM. It's this guy who says, I'm gonna pick from the 16 million colors, that one, that one, that one, that one. Okay. So Dracula. So that's one place to change it, this one. Now there's another place to change it, and that's inside the scripts, one up, inside the scripts. I believe it was, let's first take a look here. There is also a color scheme, also variables, that. And it means if it's here, it's used somewhere. So bar is H, here it says one dark. We're gonna change it to Dracula, save, don't make typos. I always make typos and I think always loss of time is so, right? Done. Now you would think this would be apply, and maybe you are pressing Super Shift R already, but it's a nap, right? It's not gonna work. You need to build it. So you go up, or you go here maybe, right mouse click, open terminal, and you say make, and see what happens. I'm gonna do it again, config H, delete, make. Now config H is there, and then sudo make install. So the one that needs to be there is that one, and it's that one that's gonna be applied. Okay. All right. And now what? Yeah, Super Shift R is a good thing. The bar is at the bottom. We have something purple. But for my purpose, maybe it's not required, right? But I have always the reflex. If I apply all these colors in the 33 desktops that we have, it takes count the seconds, a few seconds, and then I really know that the colors that I've chosen are applied. After a reboot, nothing can be messing with caches and whatever. So the purplish here, and Ctrl-Alt-T, all these borders are now this Dracula purple color. We have a purple here, but not everything is purple, right? This one is then red, and that one has another color, and this one. So all these colors have changed a little bit more. Yeah, brighter green, and all the greens down here as well. So all these guys, sorry, that's Rofi. All these guys have been changed. Et voila. We're on Dracula now, and you can experiment, of course, a lot more to do, and enjoy CHADWM. Cheers.